Hello, everyone. My name is Lawrence Ang, and I'm honored to be here today to host this program, which will discuss about artificial intelligence, AI, a topic that is becoming increasingly popular in the world of technology. In this program, we will explore how AI technology has revolutionized various fields such as automotive, healthcare, and business, and how this technology will continue to evolve in the future. We will also delve into various interesting applications of this technology and reveal the person behind ChatGPT that is currently being talked about. Let's get to know more about the CEO of ChatGPT, Sam Altman. Before that, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for attention and welcome to Rudex Core channel.